Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by laying out the essential tools and creating a safe workspace. Use a soft pad and bright, angled light so you can see tiny parts clearly. First, remove the bracelet with a spring bar tool. Compress the bar and lift gently to avoid bending. Once done, place each bar and screw into labeled compartments so you won't lose them later. This step saves time and prevents damage, and it sets you up for precise, calm work as you move into opening the case. Now you open the case using the matching opener for the back type, snap, screw, or cap, and secure the watch to avoid slipping. Carefully remove the movement ring, and once the crown is in the correct position, lift the movement straight out by the crown tube to avoid bending the stem. You should inspect the dial, hands, and balance for dirt, corrosion, or worn pivots. Make note of hand positions and part orientation. This makes reassembly logical and reduces the chance of damaging delicate components. Finish by reassembling in reverse order. Return the movement, align and press hands at the correct heights, and ensure the crown wins and sets smoothly. Once the case back is secured, using torque control for screw backs if applicable, perform a simple functional test and, when necessary, a pressure test for water resistance. If timing or function is off, check the hairspring, balance pivots, and lubrication points. A common fix is cleaning and relubricating. If issues persist, stop and consult a professional to avoid irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.